What it do, YouTube? It's your boy JH on that, and I'm back with another video. So I'm about to get ready to go to this 7-Eleven. I'm pretty sure you guys know it's a National 7-Eleven Day, so probably most likely, if it's in your state, it's probably gonna be a car show there, or a car meet, I should say. And also, they supposed to be passing out Slurpees too. So, but it looks like it's gonna rain, man. I wanted to take the Crown Vic out there, but I don't know. Check it out. So it's not raining now, but I know it's about to get rainy and rain. So I don't know. We'll see. Well, I might just take the truck, man. Just be on the safe side. Because if somebody run into my Crown Vic, guys, it's going to be a problem. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and take my truck and get y'all some footage of other people's cars that's out there. I can show you guys the Crown Vic right now. Yes, sir. Like I was telling you guys, man, I got some stuff planned for this car next month. I'm not gonna tell nobody about it. My old subscribers probably know. My new subscribers most likely don't know. But next month you guys can see what it is. I'm not gonna tell you what and where it's gonna be at. Just gotta stay tuned. So alright guys, I think I'm finna get ready to head out, man. And like I said, man, hopefully they got some cars out here. It look like it's about to clear up. I'm just not gonna chance my Crown Vic. Other people will chance their cars. My car got these big tires on it, and I ain't trying to be sliding to nobody or nobody sliding to me. So we just gonna go ahead and let the Crown Vic charge up for a little bit because it was dead, and then we go ahead to the car show, man. So if it's your guys' first time here, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share the video, and you can leave me a comment, man. We on the grind to the 500, guys. We almost there. We almost there. So let's keep it going up, man. I definitely appreciate you guys. Like I said, I appreciate all my old subscribers and the new ones. Thank you guys very much. So with that being said, man, we're going to go ahead and head out, guys. So I'll see you guys once we get there. All right, guys. Made it out here. Turn this around. I told y'all they was gonna bring their cars. They don't care out here. Rain, they coming. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get out here and walk around because it ain't really raining. It's just drizzling. Get some of these cars before it really start raining. So let's go ahead and get on with the program. A lot of people out here too. What's up? What's up? Some of these cars, I guess. It's getting muggy out here now. I probably should have brought the Crown Vic. Bet you nobody gonna be acting the fool today. Definitely got the law out here. Got a whole little crew over here, I guess. Out here directing traffic. I like that right there. That's clean.
I have mixed feelings about that fucking wing on the back of that.
Yeah, the wing's a little weird.
A lot of mixed
It's
feelings.
a supercharged NABL.
Right. Wait, where? You know how difficult it is to find good help?
Got that thing growling. They is coming in, guys. Man, I should have brought the Crown Vic. It's not really raining no more. But you guys can see 7-Eleven. This where we at, 7-Eleven. It's a lot of cool bills out here, I can tell you that. I was gonna go to this other one, but it was kind of far, so. The Hellcat. I like it. Man, black just make anything look nice, I promise. Alright, y'all, my phone had to cool down. And I had to cool down too. But they coming deep, deep, deep. It's more cars, more trucks coming, man. I'm finna get back out there once my phone cooled down. Once I cool down and show y'all the rest of this footage before it starts raining. I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Clean. Everybody got their free Slurpees. This is the car we left off on. Pretty much was this guy. I mean, a couple guys came in, but not too much. Walk through these cars again just to make sure I ain't missed nothing. I think that's it. I don't think no more cars down this way. Check this out. Now you good. So I can tell you right now, a lot of the other cars went to the other location. A lot of the nice cars, but these are some cool cars too, though. All right, guys, so you guys pretty much synced all the cars that was here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.